What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I think I have a play that I need to bring your way that honestly could be a position that could make a ton of money in the bull market because it's kind of one of those ones that you're starting early with a fresh new way of looking at things and doing things while also potentially having some popularity as time goes on with this. So I want to talk about it because it is early stages. Now understand that anything that I talk about is not necessarily telling you to just go out and invest into it. I want you guys to research it before you get into it because you'll feel a lot better when you do get into that play that you made that decision for yourself. You didn't make that decision for anybody else. But smart money is a play that I think I need to bring to the table and let you guys know about and just give you all the information that I can give you. And I'll also provide the links to the website, the white paper, the actual position, the Twitter account, all down below if you guys want to check it out for yourself. But make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Let's go ahead and dive into this because smart money is a play that just came across my desk, and smart money is, decrypting on-chain insights with AI across multiple blockchains to trace the top traders and outperform the masses, right? We all know it's about making as much money as we possibly can within the crypto market. And to be able to have not only a position to make you a lot of money, but also have a system to identify the top traders, to identify the top performers in the markets, in the blockchains, in order to figure out who's really making the most money there, who's making the most trades, who's the most profitable, all of that. Like if you scroll down here, you're going to see different insights where you have the Telegram that's here, and it will show you all types of information on, tracking the top trader wallets, fresh wallets, high win rate, or and then you can also look into some other places where you see the addresses, you see how much has been invested, the return, the profit, the coin ROI, and the total wallet ROI. So you get all the different information that can help you become a profitable trader and kind of tracking that. Powerful trading solutions. Smart money enables traders to capitalize on the net winners early by leveraging AI to decrypt decrypt transactions and uncover smart money. So obviously, if you want to be able to gather what they are doing and apply that to your situation, that's the best way of doing that. Traders are filtered using a advanced criteria to identify those with consistently high returns. Fast and easy setup. The Telegram bot allows tailoring of notifications to meet user specific needs. Advanced analytics. The algorithm analyzes the best performing tokens on a daily basis and uncovers the top traders. So again, if you're looking for that opportunity, you can find that within this platform, within what they are doing. So you have real-time alerts. Users are notified when vetted profitable traders execute new transactions. Smart money, holistic DeFi analytics solution. Here you can check, let me scroll down here because that's kind of bothering me as that keeps popping up. Here you can check out our Smrt tokenomics, which I will show you Smrt soon, or SMRT. 4% tax allocated towards marketing and development, 1% tax allocated towards buybacks and burns, and 1 year liquidity locked. You have 10% that goes towards DEX, 90% that's towards the liquidity pool. Features of Smrt. Enter the crypto inner circle, develop into an effective trader, and be early to rising narratives. Smrt utility. 100% of smart money subscription fees are utilized to buy and burn Smrt. Access a token gated alpha discussion group, which is also great. Let's go into their Twitter. If you want to know what their Twitter account is, here it is, their Twitter account. I will provide all of their links down below. I'll actually provide their link tree, but then also provide a separate link for their website if you guys want to look at that. And I'll also provide a separate link for the overall position, but you should be able to just type in the position SMRT and find it. But here you go. You can go and check them out. They have 2,600 followers over there. If we do look at that position itself, which is what you all want to see, the position itself stands at about 19% of a penny, almost 20% of a penny. Is kind of down today in the last day. We are seeing it at a $1.9 million market cap with about $100,000 worth of volume. So understand that with a level of volume, this really picks it up to a whole nother level and makes it worth a lot more than where it is right now from an investment side, from just a coin or token side. You're seeing that, but then also from a platform side, you're seeing the use case and the usability of that. So currently 100,000, as you see in the last 7 days, it is kind of flat in the last 7 days. In the last month, we're seeing this up 22.76%. So obviously you have growth potential. It just needs to have that development. Right now, the markets that it's available on is only Uniswap. So you can go and buy it on Uniswap if you wanted to. And you can access Smrt and be able to effectively trade it, as well as check out the platform and do everything there. But honestly, this shows me, when I see it at a $1.9 million market cap, it shows me that it has a lot of room for further growth with only 100,000 in volume. Imagine when this volume, when it does get listed on CEXs, more CEXs, like a KuCoin, like an MEXC, like a Coinbase or Binance or something like that, you start seeing this really pick up and you give it a huge opportunity for yourself as well as other investors that are involved in it. So I'm excited for what this could be, right? Because it's an interesting concept. For me, I'm always looking for a way to be insanely profitable, whether that comes with trading bots or it comes with just having a copy trading system, or being able to recognize this through AI is absolutely massive, absolutely a game changer for you and everybody else to try and become profitable and get all that information. So if you want to check it out, again, I will provide all of the links down below for this so that you guys can kind of break this down and see what it's all about. But the total amount that they do have in circulating supply, they have 1 billion total coins in circulating supply. Total coins, you have 1 billion coins. So all of them are introduced. You don't have to worry about any type of dilution, which is something I always worry about. Having major amount of dilution is something I always worry about, and seeing smart money at a point to where you don't have that. And it's also a play on words, right? Smart money. You want to be involved in a lot of the smart money's decisions to now be very, very profitable in the end. So let me know what you think about this play. If you think that it's going to be big, I really do think that they have the opportunity to do so, as long as you get listed on exchanges. You see the volume, you see the traction and everything there. But then as you get listed on exchanges, then you start to see that major growth. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Make sure you check out any of the links down below for smart money if you want to start to utilize that and see the benefits there. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.